The current generation X5 with the G05 code was first introduced in 2018. The premiere of the sports version of the X5M took place a little later, in the fall of 2019. The previous generation of the X5 did without restyling, immediately giving way to the new model, but the current crossover will still be updated. Photos of test mules have already appeared on the web, partially hidden by a masking film, but through it some significant differences from the current model are already visible. Colza.ru rendered a few images to see what the new BMW X5 M will look like. First of all, the front part of the powerful crossover will noticeably change. It will receive new nostrils on the radiator grille similar in shape to those put on the X6. The second difference is the narrower headlights, which are likely to get a different LED daytime running lights. Also, the front bumper will probably be updated. Colza.ru has depicted one of the possible options. As for the rear, there are no changes so far, but we can assume that the lights will receive new LED graphics, while retaining their shape. Restyling will also affect the interior of the crossover. At a minimum, there will be a new iDrive 8 multimedia system with a pair of combined screens, like the i4 liftback and iX crossover. At the same time, the technical part may remain the same. The current crossover is equipped with a 625 horsepower 4.4 turbo engine in the competition version. The premiere of the new BMW X5 M may take place this year.